Hello, I'm Cynthia Roberson with Unforgettable Glass Act in Destin, Florida. And I have seen a lot of people talking about drilling oyster shells. And I wanted to share the way I'm drilling oyster shells. Wish I had done this 6 or 7 years ago. And I have worn my hands out with a big heavy drill trying to drill oyster shells. So I bought a mini press, which I purchased on Amazon. So I have 3 cameras going, hoping that you will be able to get a good view. So I'm going to bring you down and show you from, let's see, this angle first. Okay. All right. So this angle, I'm going to use these long oyster shells. I should have shown those to you anyway. And I'm going to put it down where I want it, and I'm going to take this, I have something to hold it in place here. And I want to make sure I get it where I want it. And I think that is a perfect place to drill that oyster shell. So I'm going to drill a couple from different angles so that you can hopefully see it best. I think that I need to pull a little bit. Oops. No. Hang on. Let me get this baby the way I want her. I think that'll be just fine. Alright, so I'm going to turn her on and come down, and I want you to look how simple this is. And I got to get her where I want her. Hold on. Okay. So here I have an oyster shell with a hole on one side and a hole on the other side right there. So that's one. Now I'm going to show you from a different angle. Okay. From this angle, you can look straight down on it, and I'm not sure you're going to be, I don't know how you're going to be able to see this. Let's see what happens. Since I'm left-handed and it's right in front of me, I'm going to just loosen this up a little bit, put it where I want it, tighten it back up. You're not going to really be able to see it from that angle. No, that's not the one. Is it this one? Yeah. Let me, no, it's not that one. It's this one. Alright, I'm trying to see if I can get you an angle that you can see, but I'm not quite sure you're going to be able to see it. Let's try it. Let's just try it. Here we go. And that was with me holding it down with one finger. That's what is so cool. So there we are again with a hole right there and the other side hole. Okay, so that's one style of oyster shells. I'm going to bring you back over to the other one because I think you can see better. Okay, this is much better, I believe. So now this is one of those like we have here in Destin, Florida. And I've gone on and I've painted these. And what I use when I paint is this chalk paint. And it's just folk art chalk paint, and the color is white Adirondack. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back over. See if I can get it in this way. So I've got to come out. wide. So let me see if I can just, I'll tell you, I'm going to scoot it in and just set it on this thing. And I think that will be just fine. So I want to put that, let's see, I'm going to try to hold it to get it where I want it. So here we are. Again, oh, here we are. The hole on both sides. So, and as you can see, that's a thick little layer there that we went through. So that is one. I will do another one. I'm going to see if I can get you even a better view. So I've got to come back this way. Okay. So bring this camera down like this. Get right there. It wants to turn. Let me see if I do this. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to put it in, get it where I want it, and I think I will be just fine right there on it. So here we go. There we are. We have a hole. Get it back up this way. There's our hole on our other side. Yeah, you can see it. So I hope that's been helpful. Again, I got this on Amazon. I got this on Amazon, and I love it. I really do. And it was $79. So that was not a bad price for something that works so quickly. So I'm just going to buzz right through these 35 oyster shells that I bought off of Etsy, and they'll be ready. So hope you enjoyed this. Bye.